Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. Now I start checking class for class 4. Today's topic is the Indian sports person of today. I hear some instructions. I read first. India, read the clues and complete the names of the sports person. The first option is you can guess. Okay, I read first. He is an all-rounder who bats right-handed and bowls right-arm off-break. And you can guess. Okay, I will give you more options. You can guess it or not. He is an all all-round player who bats right-handed and bowls right-arm off-break. He was born on 17th September 1986 in Chennai. His first debuted match was played in Test cricket against West Indies, and his first ODI debuted match was played against Sri Lanka on 5th June 2010, and the first T20 debuted match was played against Zimbabwe on 12th June 2010. Now we can guess who is he. Yes, the right answer is Ravichandran Ashwin. Ravichandran. Ashwin. Ravichandran Ashwin. Number one. Now, when I go question number two, you can guess. Okay. She is the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at the Olympic Games. You can guess what is the right answer. Okay, I give you some more clues. More clues about who is she. She was born on 3rd September 1992 at Rohtak. She is an Indian freestyle wrestler at the 2016 Summer Olympics. She won the bronze medal in 58 kilogram category, becoming the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at Olympics. And she also awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Padma Shri award. Now you can guess who is she. She is Sakshi Malik. Okay. Now I go to question number 3. First one I know Ravichandran Ashwin. Second one Sakshi Malik. The third one I read. She is one of the Indians' best badminton double player. You can guess who is she. Now I give some more about to tell about her. She was born on 18 September in the year of 1989 at Bangalore. She is an Indian badminton player. She represents our country at the international badminton circuit in both women's and mixed double disciplines. She had a successful partnership with Jala Gatta. She and Gatta won the BWF World Championship in 2011. Now, students, you can guess who is she. She is Ashwin Ponappa. Ashwin is Ponappa. Okay. Now, question number 4. She is one of the India's first table tennis player, and give, I tell you about something on her. She was born on 15th June in 1995 in Delhi. She is an Indian table tennis player in January 2019, she was the top ranked female table tennis player in India and ranked 47th in the world. She specializes in playing long tempos on her backhand, a ratio which is not often played by the top player. Now she is Monica Batra. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, this is very important to listen, and this one, as captain she led India into the Women's World Cup final in 2017, and I say more about her. She is an Indian cricketer and captain of the Indian Women's International Cricket team. She was born on she was born on 3rd December in 1982 at Jodhpur. Do you know where is Jodhpur? Jodhpur is in Rajasthan. She made her first debut match was played against Ireland on 26 June in 1999, and first test match was played against England on 14th January 2002, and her first T20 debut match was played against England in 5th August 2006. Now I start lesson or chapter number 7. Okay, this chapter name is Sporting Legends. Some legends are here. See here. First one I read and you can guess. And his real name is that, but we are not know about him. But his popular name, what I read here. His real name was Edson Arantes do Nascimento. Means who is he? His name is Play. But the world knew him, Brazilian footballer, as Play. He was a member of the 3 World Cup winning team and was named Athlete of the Century and Footballer of the Century. And he was born 3rd September, 23rd October 1940. And then the next one, Michael Johnson. Michael Johnson was one of the greatest short distance runner of all time. Winner of 4 Olympic gold medals, he is the only male athlete to have won both the 200 meter and the 400 at the same Olympic Games. Means he was participated in 2 categories, means 200 meter and 400 meter, and he won the 4 gold medals, and he was born 17th February 1967. And next one, Michael Jordan. He was one of the greatest basketball players of all times. Nicknamed Air Jordan, he led his team Chicago Bulls to 6 NBA National Basketball Association titles and was voted as NBA's most valuable player 5 times. He was a member of the United States of America team that won 2 Olympics gold in basket. Okay, Michael Jordan was born 17th February 1967, and he was the principal of means president of National Basketball Association, decided him against the best player of the time. And the next one is Steffi Graf. Stefina Marina Graf, popular as Steffi Graf, who belongs to Germany, and she is the greatest women tennis player forever. She is the first and only tennis player to have won all the 4 Grand Slam titles. These are Australian Opens, US Open, Wimbledon, and French Open, and Olympic medal in the same calendar year. A phenomenon known as the Golden Slam. Her achieved this feat in the year 1988. Now next, Gary Kasparov. Gary Kasparov, uh, the Russian was the number of chess played of his time and perhaps the greatest the game has ever seen. He became the youngest ever world chess champion at the age of 22 in 1985. And Gary this Kasparov was born 13th April 1963 and from 1986 till his retirement in 2005, Kasparov was the world ranked one number from the 225 out of 228 months and 255 months overall for his career. The last one, Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, born as Cassius Clay, he changed his name to Muhammad Ali and went on to become one of the greatest heavyweight boxers the world has ever seen. He was the world heavyweight champion 3 times and even won an Olympic gold. Muhammad Ali was born 17 January 1942 and died in 2016. And he is the most significant and celebrated sports figure of the 20th century and as one of the greatest boxers of the time. Hmm? And this is the your lesson number 7, chapter 7 is sporting events. We finished just now, and some extra question is there. Extra question is there. Now, extra questions I have to say to you. These are the very important to you because these questions you may understand what we know about it. The first one is who was the first Indian independent India to have won a medal in a individual Olympic event? First one option. Four option is there and first option is Handjar, number B K.D. Jadhav, number C Prithipal Singh, number D Harishchandra Hirasthar. The answer is K.D. Jadhav. Question number 2. The 2017 National Sports Day NSD is located on which day in India? Options here also 4 options. Number 1, August 28, August 29, August 26, August 27. Option answer is B, August 29. What does the Olympic name symbolize? Here also 4 options. Means first one, June 2, play sports, number 2, challenge, number 3, continuity, number 4, integrity. And the answer is number C, continuity. Number 4, which among the following is the women's equivalent of the tennis cup? 4 options also here. First one, Hoffman Cup, B, Fed Cup, C, BMW Women, number D, Heroes Cup. The answer is Fed Cup. Question number 5. The term volley, smash, service are related to which among the following sports? Means is volley, smash, and service, which play you have to know. The first one, volleyball, lawn tennis, C, table tennis, D, badminton. Answer is lawn tennis. Question number 6. The name of the S. Vijayalakshmi is famous in which among the following games or sports? So options are volleyball, B, lawn tennis, C. Options are here. A, badminton, B, table tennis, C, chess, D, hockey. Answer is chess. Euro Cup is related to which sports? To which sports? First one badminton, second one football, third one table tennis, fourth one hockey. Answer is football. And number 8, question number 8. Major Dhyanchand birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India. In which among the following dates? First one July 29th, August 29th, number C March 29th, number D April 29th. Answer is B August 29th. Question number 9. The Commonwealth Games started from which among the following countries? The options are A. England, B. Australia, C. Canada, D. India. And answer is C. Canada. Number 10 question. Grand Slam is used in which of the following games? A. Lawn tennis, B. Football, C. Badminton, D. None of above. Answer is A. Lawn tennis. D. Question number 11. Durant Cup is largely with A. Swimming, B. Football, C. Table tennis, D. Hockey. Answer is football. 12. And last one. India played its first one-day international with which country and in which year? Options are first one A. England 1975, B. Australia 1956, C. England 1975, D. England 1978. Answer is England 1975. So this is our fifth class, and I hope you can understand. And if you have any confusion and you want to know anything, you call me. You know my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, and your HW is there. Homework, like a short note about your favorite. Thank you.